A lot of the investigation showed that President Martelly's political party was in the majority of the cases responsible for the violence. And yet, of course, the justice system is not pursuing the acts of violence. Some of the candidates were disqualified. That was a great step forward. But we haven't seen the pursuit of remedies, judicial remedies against them as they should be. So that's sending a clear message out to political candidates and their supporters that violence wins in these elections. I think another issue, another obstacle for Haitians to vote is the interference of the international community. As we spoke about, Haitians know, everybody, they didn't need Clinton's emails to know the interference of the international community, in particular the United States government, in the results of the 2010 election.